In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your NameCheap domain to InfinityFree. So let's jump into it. So this is provided that you've already created your InfinityFree account and you want to add a new domain and make a new website. So you want to go to your hosting accounts. That's just going to be on the homepage, and you can create up to 3 accounts. So go ahead and click create account in the top right hand corner. Now from here, I'm going to choose the InfinityFree plan, but you can choose any of these plans. We're going to create a new one for free. Now from here, what we need to do is go to custom domain, and you need to add your custom domain here, as well as add some name servers in the back end of that domain. So we're going to go to NameCheap, and you can see I'm logged in. So if we hover over the username and go to dashboard, you'll then see your domains on the dashboard. If not, click domain list, and that should take you here. Now we're going to connect for the video, knowledgebasevideos.com. So I'll right click and copy that domain, and we'll paste it into here. Okay, so now we've done that, we just need to add the name servers and then check availability. So we'll check availability now, and everything is all good. So now let's go back and we'll connect the name servers. So you want to copy the name server number 1, ns1.infinityfree.com. You want to go to NameCheap and then find your domain and then go to manage. From here, go to domain, and then if you scroll down, you need to change it from the NameCheap basic DNS to custom DNS. Then you can paste name server number 1 in the first box, and then copy name server number 2, paste that in the second box, then click the green tick. Now, if you have any redirects, make sure you've got them deleted, but now the custom name servers have been added. They can take up to 48 hours to go into effect, but you can check availability on the InfinityFree end, and it's going to ask you now to create your account. So it's going to ask you for a label and an account password, which I would customize. Once you've done that, go to email consent and either approve or disapprove of those. It's just about contacting you about hosting. Then click create account. Now your account has been created and your domain will be connected, but you just need to wait now up to 72 hours. So go ahead and click finish. Then you can see here we're setting up your account. Just give that a couple of minutes. In the meantime, you can go to control panel and approve of this, and then you'll be able to access your backend and install WordPress. I've made many videos on that, but you just now need to wait up to 72 hours for your domain to connect. You'll get a message here telling you that it can take up to 72 hours once it's connected. And there you go, once it's all set up, you'll get this message which says it can take up to 72 hours for a new domain name to connect. So just be patient, within 3 days your domain will have connected, and that's how you do it.